let's waste no time and grab my Platypod. Platypod has a flat metal plate. I'll have a link down below. If you want to look at purchasing a Platypod, please click on my link. It'll be an affiliate link. So it uses a simple ball head that you can get from your tripod that's set on top of the Platypod. And you can adjust it just like you would as if you're using your tripod. So not complicated, but it's great for low shots like this when you want your camera close to the ground. So once we get it all set up, we will get our solution of bubble mix that I made. I got the recipe from the internet. Just check it out. You'll find one. Or you can use the bubbles that the kids use. This formula I got is a little bit stronger, so the bubbles will stay longer. So let's blow a few bubbles. And look at that first bubble coming up. Look how big that is. It didn't pop. It actually stayed around probably for 2 or 3 minutes before it did finally pop. So I got a few pictures of it. Here's one of them. And we'll zoom in, take a little closer look. GoPro got a pretty good gleam on it. So we knocked the bubbles off because they do pop, and we'll make some more bubbles. Which is interesting is no two set of bubbles will ever be the same. If you blow harder, you get much smaller bubbles. If you blow nice and easy, you can get a larger bubble. It takes a little bit of practice and play. So I'm setting my camera up with probably ISO 100, and I have a shutter speed of probably around 1/500th of a second. It's very bright out, so all the white snow, that's what you have to do. I take a photo every 5 seconds with a built-in intervalometer on my camera, so I don't have to worry about it. And so that wraps things up pretty much. We'll zoom in here, let you see the end here. If you enjoy my videos, hit the subscribe and like, and let's check out 3 photos from this photo shoot that I really enjoyed. Large bubbles, and we also have some smaller bubbles in the next 2 photos. If you enjoy this, please hit the subscribe and like. And I will give you 2 links for 2 videos. I did some bubbles with oil and also did a very similar bubble shoot indoors where it was warm. Check them out.